Today I'm going to lead you through an EFT tapping exercise on feeling hurt. When we feel hurt, we're often stuck in feelings that someone didn't care for us or love us the way we expected, or even act the way we expected, and likely we feel really let down. Hi, I'm Kelly Elliott from Free Your Life. I'm a transformational coach, master Free Your Life practitioner, and advanced and accredited EFT practitioner. And I've been working with clients both locally and internationally for over 10 years. So let's get started. Rate your hurt feelings on a scale of 0 to 10, with 10 being the most intense, and follow along with me. You're just going to tap where I tap and say out loud whatever I say. Even though I'm really hurt by my mom, partner, friend, whoever that might be, I choose to accept myself and my feelings. Even though I'm so hurt by what they did or didn't do, I choose to love and accept all of these feelings anyways. I'm so hurt. How could they act that way? How could they have done that to me? It feels like they don't care. I'm so let down. I never thought they would do something like that to me. How could they not know that would hurt me? Are they trying to hurt me? Are they trying to hurt me on purpose? I'm so hurt. Maybe they don't care about me. Maybe they don't care about my feelings. My feelings don't matter to them, and I thought they did. What matters to me doesn't matter to them. I'm so hurt. Now rate your feeling of hurt again. If it's higher than a 5, go back to the start of this tapping and repeat the video again, and again if you have to, until it's 5 or lower. Now if it's 5 or lower, you can continue with this part of the video. So let's do that again. Even though I still have this remaining hurt, I choose to accept myself and these feelings. Even though I still have this remaining hurt, I choose to love and accept these feelings anyways. This hurt I feel in my body. Maybe it's possible this person didn't intend to hurt me. Maybe it's possible this person is just running an old program of their own. Maybe this person is wounded themselves. Maybe it's true what they say, hurt people hurt others. Maybe their actions say nothing about me and a lot more about them. Maybe I don't have to take this personal. Maybe I have my own wounds that are making this feel so big right now. Maybe this isn't really about the person I'm thinking of. Maybe this is an old wound I didn't even realize I had. An old wound that has so much power over my nervous system. Maybe I can let some of this go right now. So hopefully you're feeling lighter after doing this and a sense of relief. But if you're still feeling hurt, there is a good reason why. Hurt is actually a general feeling. And in order for us to make real headway with hurt feelings, it's important to get really specific and get down to exactly why you're hurt. So for example, I'm hurt because they laughed at me. That's really specific. So maybe the underlying issue to tap on is actually feeling embarrassed. Now, it's important to understand that following videos and scripts are great for starting to solve a problem and will help to calm your nervous system, but they don't completely get to the root of a problem. So in order to get permanent relief, the tapping you do needs to be specific to your issues and your specific memories. And that's where reaching out to a practitioner like myself for a session comes in handy. But if you'd like more information on how to do this for yourself, you can check out my self-help program in my store on my website, freeyourlife.ca. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.